Amphenol ICC offers their Millipacs 2mm low-profile design, hard metric high-speed connectors for use in markets demanding higher speed differential signals. Millipacs is a 2.00mm modular board-to-board and cable-to-board interconnection system in hard metric configuration designed in accordance with IEC and Telcordia standards. Amphenol ICC's versions of these connectors, which are backward mating compatible to IEC 61076-4101 series hard metric connectors, provide a cost-effective upgrade to data rates up to 25 gigabits per second. Furthermore, these connectors work with all hard metric compatible connectors and accessories, with reduced crosstalk at higher frequencies and lower impedance, resulting in faster signal speeds. These connectors are well suited for telecom and data markets, as they demand connectors with higher speed differential signals.